Alright, now I can finally do an appropriate cold start. I wasn't gonna do it until I realized it's -1 degrees out. The fucking seat was a solid rock. All these buttons right here are like stiff. So let me turn that off. It is fucking cold out here. Even the GoPro kind of just froze to death. I didn't realize it was that cold. And then my system's fucked up. Alright, here we go. True cold start, 5.7 hemi. Here we go. Ooh, that's a first. Some weird little noise went on in there. Bald ass tires. No hemi tick. 2009 Dodge Ram 1500. The 5.7 in it, obviously. Man, she's a trooper. She's a trooper. Little fucking truck, man. Gotta go get some more scrap metal. Gotta get some wheels for that dolly. Hopefully it's gonna be another busy day. Now my nostrils are already frozen. Oh. Jesus Christ, like the seat is a solid rock. Okay. It's saying 0 degrees, but